Before starting any project, be sure to review the owner's manual and other instruction materials. Once you've completed spraying your project, it's time for a quick cleaning. All the parts rinse clean in about 5 minutes with the appropriate solution: water for latex materials and mineral spirits for oil-based materials. As a tip, cleanup goes faster with warm water. Strong water pressure and adding soap will break up the paint more quickly. To clean the gravity gun, first unplug your sprayer, take off the container lid, and hold the container so it doesn't come off the gun body. Then pour the remaining paint back into its original container. You can remove the wire stand for easier cleaning and replace it when finished. Remove the cup from the gun and rinse it clean. Then, disassemble the nozzle and clean each piece. To clean the eye spray gun, slowly remove the paint cup from the nozzle and return any unused materials back to the can. Then, rinse the cup clean, disassemble the nozzle, and clean each piece completely. Make sure you clean the air vent on the suction tube on both sides. Use the included brush for the hard-to-reach places. Once everything is clean, dry and reassemble the pieces from both guns so you're ready for your next painting or staining project. The FLEXiO 4300, great for all spray projects.